Oh, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at a plot of land, and it's a very interesting investment opportunity for investors because this is a very good property that you can buy and then flip really quickly for quick, easy gains and profits. And this could take up anywhere from 3 to 6 months, and you could get about 50% back on your money. So this plot of land is located about 10 minutes outside of Las Terrenas, so we arrived here without no hurry. This plot of land is located on a hill with a wonderful view of the ocean, and you also have the view on a 360 degrees, so you can see anywhere from any point. So it has a great price, and we're going to discuss how you can make money on it. So let's go have a look. So I'd like to add that this plot of land has a very interesting old foundation. I'm pretty sure it's colonial, or maybe it's not even colonial. It's something with the native population that was here before the Spanish came here. I don't think you should tear it down. I think this is a very important historical monument, and it could attract people who want to come and visit it. One of the most important selling points of this plot of land is that you have a magnificent view from here, and you also have a ancient jacuzzi, by the way. That's just a little point I'd like to add, but besides that, so you can clean out some of the trees, cut them down, and you have even a better view than what you have right now, which is hard to imagine, but I'm telling you, you can do that. Right below us right there is Las Terrenas, and as far as the horizon, you can see that's the ocean right there. So from all the directions on this hill, on this plot of land, you have the view everywhere, and I think that's just magnificent. Now let's have a look at the views from this side of the plot of land. Now here we used to have a building, as you can see for yourself. What was it? We don't know, but we'll try to find out later and post all the relevant information about it. I would personally leave it because I think this is a very good selling point. You can get more money for it because it's historical, but that's up to you guys. You can do whatever you want once you buy this plot of land. Please look at the magnificent view of the hills that we have right here from this side. I think it's just gorgeous. Down below, the plot continues up until the fence line, and the total area of this plot of land is 1.5 hectares of land, or 15,400 square meters. What are the upsides of this plot of land? First of all, we have fruit-bearing trees here. We have mangoes here. We have an asphalt road that comes right up to the plot of land. We have a nice clearing area right here where you can do development work or whatever. Electricity comes up here. You also have the utilities. All that's connected here. So what would you need to do? By the way, I'd like to add all the paperwork here is done. Just finished with it recently. The title was given to this plot of land, so everything's good on that. The owners of this plot of land just recently put it up for sale. They're from Europe, and you got about 15,400 square meters here. The price per square meter is $38, and your total price will be $585,000 US. So this is the net price without any brokers, without any fees, without any middlemen. Straight from the owner to the seller. So what would an investor do with this type of piece of land? So they'd buy it straight. You have one title, one plot of land. Then you take this land, this plot of land, and break it up, let's say, into 10 plots. And you divvy them up, maybe more, maybe less. I mean, how many you want. You can have 10, 15, maybe even 20, depends on how you can cut and divide up the land. You have the central asphalt road that's actually old. You can do a little work on it, but still, it's usable, it's fine. And besides that, just take the pieces of land, the plots that you broke up, and sell them off individually one by one. And per square foot for a small plot of land is usually about $50 to $60 per square meter. So you'll make your money back. And that's for the, I wouldn't say cheap plots of land, but your standard typical plot of land. The plot of lands that, with these type of views are very rare, and I haven't seen them in a while here in the local market. I mean, the view here is just fantastic. You have the view of the ocean, you have the view of the mountains. It's 360 degrees, so you have a lot of people that like to buy this land. Something smaller, like a couple hundred square meters, and build a house on it and have your own little plot of land, and that's about it. And also at the same time, you have your own privacy and your own peace and comfort, but you're not that far from the city. It's just a 10-minute drive. So what are some of the conclusions that we could come to after reviewing all this information? I think this is a great investment opportunity, a great plot of land, a hectare and a half of land. So what can you do here? You can buy this piece of land. That'll take you about a week while they check all the documents. Plus, this plot of land already has all the documents, so that simplifies, all this process of the purchase and all the bureaucratic stuff that you need to do. You buy this whole plot of land for $585,000. So as soon as you buy it, you apply to redo the documents. You split it up. You hire an architect or somebody who will help you break up the plots of land evenly. So you have more plots on it. And then once you get the paperwork done, and in the end you'll have 10, 15 plots of land within this one big plot of land. And then you just list them and sell them. A small plot of land usually goes for about $50 to $60 per square meter. But considering that you have this wonderful view, you can even hike the price up a little bit higher and you can get more money per square meter. So for a skilled investor to get 50% return on their money with this type of deal, it'll take about 3 to 6 months, is nothing once you've done all the sales and all that. So this is a very good opportunity for you guys. So this is an opportunity for those that want to make 50% or more on their money off land sales. Land is in high demand here. High quality land is even in higher demand here in Las Terrenas. And by high quality land, I mean land that has a view. If you're interested in this offer, all my personal contact information is in the description below. Please like, share, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel and my Telegram channel, where I post up-to-date information about the real estate market here in the Dominican Republic. I will see you next time in my next videos. Have a wonderful day, guys.